Hey, so it's been literally just like a week and a half since I did the man-handled clematis pruning video of the clematis behind me, and look how much it's already grown in. All of this is all new growth. So believe me when I tell you that it's no problem to cut off some of these stems that have overgrown your space. What's happening is it's growing tall, and it would be up there if I had a better trellis, but it's just falling over. And so what I'm going to do is again just cut this edge so that it's not messing with our van as we're driving out of the garage. So all I'm doing is just grabbing a vine, any vine that's coming out further than I want it to go, and I'm cutting right above a set of leaves. You can try to pinch them off, but if you can't do that, then just cut. So this is where I cut, but since it's sticking out, I'll go a little further in. Always cutting above a leaf or a set of leaves. Actually, what's crazy is I don't think I've ever had leaves this big before. And I'm starting to think that the reason why they might be this big is because we did cut off those stems, so it gave more strength to the leaves to grow this size. Because the stems that were falling forward, like water falling over them, stopped covering them and blocking the sun. That's just a guess though. The reason why you want to cut above a set of leaves is because the portion that you don't cut off that's above that set of leaves is going to brown anyway, so you're just going to be stuck with a brown little stick sticking out where you don't want it to. What I'm actually doing is cutting portion by portion because I'm hesitant to cut too much at one time, but what I want to do is just shape it so that it still looks good once I'm finished with it. I know it's going to grow in more after this, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm just making sure not to cut all the way to the bottom. Even here where it looks like I'm cutting at the bottom, it's just the ends of the tendrils that I'm cutting. And here we have the result. There's the pile of what I cut off and a very nice smooth edge that won't scratch the car. I did take off quite a bit of the plant, but it doesn't flower until fall, and trust me, it's going to vine like 30 to 60 feet. Because this clematis can spread, I'm going to throw it in the trash. Done for now. Make sure to come back for updates, and please subscribe, like, and share, and check out our shop. You can find photos of this clematis on various items. See you in the next one.